That's my dock where the chair is. Those two sticks sticking up of the ladder to crawl up into my dock from the lake. I have no idea what that white thing is that's floating there. It washed up. It's hitting my dock. It's just sitting there. There's my pedal boat. It's tethered to that tree, thank God, or it'd be gone. My poor neighbor. You can see that dock's underwater with the tin roof. This morning the water went past my fence. I'm sure it'll get past there again soon. There's a little stream we got flowing in the yard. There's my dogs finally outside in the water. Look at Beignet. He's like, let me in. You know, Beignet, you can get inside if you use the doggy door. I've only shown you 50 times. There's Jazzy Lou, good girl. Lots of mud to bring in my house. Thank you very much.